Heavyocity just unleashed their brand new and absolutely free Foundations piano. And I can't believe that this sound is available to every composer out there for free. I mean, what's going on with sample library freebies these days? Performance Samples has just released the incredible Full Strings Ensemble Spiccato patch without any limitations in range or dynamic layers. And now Heavyocity steps up and provides us with this. Okay, first things first. Foundations Piano is an inspiring piano with sound design elements that's available for the free Contact player, so you don't need Contact Full. Thank you, Heavyocity, for doing that. You'll need to download Heavyocity Portal though to get it. And activate it in native access. Then you got it in that pretty library tab of Contact Player and it's yours to keep. Let's have a look at the instrument. One thing I can tell you for sure. This is the definition of a quality virtual instrument. And it 100% feels like a paid product to me. Foundations Piano comes with a soft grand piano sound, plus an absolutely beautiful sound design layer that can be further tweaked. The piano sounds warm and is very playable. It just feels good, and I don't get that feeling with every piano library. And to even further increase its usefulness, there are several presets. Some of them focus on rhythmic and arpeggiated piano sounds, and some have a more textural, pad-like character. The library has a beautiful, modern, minimal design in dark blue and silver that I immediately fell in love with. But even more important than the shiny visuals is how well they serve its functionality. The interface of Foundations Piano is clear and easy to grasp. I immediately knew what to do when opening it for the first time, and that's a very good sign. 4 pages on the left side offer different options. On the main page, you can control the volume of the piano and the sound design layer separately, pan them to the left and right, and toggle between the presets. The second page gives you envelope options on the attack, decay, sustain and release. With these you can evolve the piano, for example, into a sound design pad. But what I like even more is that the sound design becomes its very own playable synth instrument. The third page is an arpeggiator and a gate sequencer. This is where we leave the typical piano realm and enter Heavyocity's sound design world that they are very famous for. You can create rhythmic grooves and combine chopped sequences with different types of arpeggios. It can go from low to high, from high to low, or everything in between. It's nothing groundbreaking, but it works really well with the instrument. The page lets you control the piano separately from the sound design texture, but you can also link them if you want. The last page is for effects. It provides a couple of simple but powerful functions to hype up the sound with the punch knob, control the internal reverb, and add a delay. The sound of Foundations piano, both of the sampled grand piano and the signature sound design, is absolutely stunning. And the user experience is crystal clear. I mean, how wonderful and inspiring is this? This freebie is absolutely fantastic news for composers, because it shows how the sample library market is getting more affordable and accessible. Developers put out quality stuff to introduce people to their product range, without crippling the functionality of their freebies to protect their intellectual property. This is a trend that I love to see, and I'm convinced that it motivates many people to check out their other products as well. In my opinion, it's a no-brainer download for everyone even remotely interested in a modern sound design piano, or even just a very nice, soft grand piano library alone. Here's a little demo I wrote with the Foundations piano freebie. I used only the freebie. Consider subscribing to the channel if this overview was helpful to you, and join the Become a Pro Composer Discord. Regular composing exercises with great prizes and creative exchange with awesome like-minded people. Do I have to say more? Enjoy the free Foundations piano, and I will see you soon.